today's subject is about alcohol. Okay, when I was in Korea, I had a beer and sake. When I come to America, there is called whiskey and one of the favorite alcohol, tequila. Now, do you know when they take a beer, keep it in the refrigerator, make it cool, and we drink. And when I was in Korea, that when you go to usually an expensive restaurant or Japanese, they drink sake. But when they drink sake, they prepare warm and provide to the guest. What about whiskey? It's whiskey and tequila, usually a strong one, and the beer and sake, the alcohol content is lower. But when they drink whiskey, they call on the rock. They use ice cube into the into the glass and they drink. But what about the tequila? They put salt in here. That's the way they drink a tequila. Why? Same alcohol, but they use different way. Now, first of all, the whiskey and the tequila, this is not oriented in the product. Therefore, they are not familiar with our Yin Yang, but they use Yin Yang to drink alcohol. Let me show you why. Now, the original beer made by a barley, and the sake made of rice. Now there are very confusing debate between barley and rice or personality. Some people believe explain this way. Okay, barley are growing in and here is the water, and the rice grow here, and barley grow in here. Now what they said is, okay, the water itself is cool, and the barley over there compared to water, this is warm. So therefore they believe, okay, rice is warm and barley is cool. But we have to think about another way around. In the Oriental theory, the most important thing is qi and taste. What's the energy for? Energy means a temperature. Now, when you go to a farm and a barley, they plant on spring, summer, fall, and winter. On barley, they plant it here. Then, through the process of winter, and then before summertime, then they harvest it here. In other words, the barley has to survive through this cold winter under the ground. However, in rice, they do on spring, and then they grow on here, and they harvest around here. A different thing. Now, if they plant rice in springtime, then grow up here, that's a normal way. However, if you try, put the rice in the fall, and the winter time, all rice become dead. Because this rice personality is cool. But the barley, their personality is warm and hot. Therefore, they can survive this cold winter time. So therefore, the beer has personality warm. And then rice personality is cool. Now, when we drink this, alcohol, it's warm, so keep in the refrigerator, make a cooler, then make yin and yang in balance. Sake is made of rice, personality is cool, so when you drink sake, then we make a little warm, then we drink, that make yin and yang in balance. Now, look at the whiskey and the tequila. Now, this whiskey is made by malt, and this one is usually made, made of barley or something like that. So now, as I explained on beer thing, this one is hot temperature. However, tequila is made by what? Cactus. Cactus, I think this is right. Then, this personality is cactus grow up in desert, and this condition is hot and dry. So any kind of plant can survive in this hot and dry desert. Must be in the opposite way. Hot must be cold, and dry must be wet. So when we cut it in half in a cactus leaf, it's a very, very moisture, and also, a cold stuff. Now, tequila is made by cactus, meaning that this personality cold and wet. So, in order to make a balance in a whiskey in here, this is hot. So therefore, opposite personality, they use ice, which is cold, then try to make yin yang in balance. Tequila is supposed to be cold and wet. They use a salt. This salt personality is warm. So, cold personality and adding a salt make yin yang in balance. Thank you for watching.